We are having this review tab now. In this, the first group we are having proofing. Proofing is nothing but, for example, I put any text here which is incorrect, like NEME. I put and hit enter. You can see it is a incorrect spelling of name. I put E here. What I want is I want to correct this. To do so, I select this cell and click on ABC spelling. And when I click on this autocorrect, you can see now this name has been changed. And say yes. So this is how you can use this spelling tool in a proofing group in the review tab to autocorrect or to correct your meaning, whatever the English you have written in your Excel sheet. Next we are having thesaurus. So basically it is used for synonyms. For example, I click here and type any word which is like a boy and hit enter. You can see we have these many synonyms of this particular word which is boy. So you can use this tool as a synonym tool and utilize it for your reports and other things. Next we are having smart lookup. Smart lookup is basically a kind of web search engine, and just like a Google or other search engine we are having. When I click here on smart lookup, you can see we need to select any value first. For I type here a web and I select this first and then smart lookup. You can see it is loading and showing some value, just like Google shows us noun, verb, some relatable search, what's a web, whatever. So it is working as a search engine here in Excel, this smart lookup in insights group. Next we are having translate. Translate is basically used to translate from one language to another, like name written here it is in English. What I want is I want to type this in Hindi. So I click here and click on translate. When I click here, maybe you will get a pop-up window. You just need to click on install, nothing else. And after clicking on install, you will see this window on translator. And from here, you can choose any language. I just want to perfect and enter. You can see the Hindi meaning of this particular word. So this is how you can also use your Excel as a translator for you. Next group we are having is a comments. You can see I have written some values here. What I want is I want to add a comment like this, which I have already added one comment. So how we can add that comment? Click on that particular cell, click on new comment and type any value. For example, I write the same value. It is 74800 and enter. Click OK. Now you can see we have added this comment here. So this is how you can add or delete or edit a comment. For example, I want to edit this, click here, edit comment. You can now edit or add any value in this. Next we are having previous and next. When I click here and click on previous, you can see we are having this previous and next. So this is how you can move between your comments and all. When you click on this show all comment, it will show you every available comment which you have added to your sheet. Again you click and it will hide. Next we are having the changes group. Changes group is nothing but to protect your sheet. For example, I am able to write any value in this particular sheet or in this particular cell. What I want is I want to share this Excel, but want that nobody can change any value or write anything in this particular Excel sheet or the spreadsheet. To do so, you just need to select any cell and click on this protect sheet. When you click, it will ask you for a password. You type any password, like for example I type 123 and click OK. Once again it will confirm the password 123 and click OK. You can see now I am unable to write anything, and you can see this message: the cell or the chart you are trying to change is on protected sheet. To make changes, unprotect the sheet, you might be requested to enter a password. So for example, if you give this particular sheet to someone, you can share the password with him or her and click here to unprotect. Again type the same password and click OK. Now we are able to type anything. So this is how you can protect your sheet with password. You can also protect the workbook. Workbook means the entire, all the sheets and entire this Excel workbook. Same way, need to put a password. So you can try this thing by yourself. Now next we are having share workbook. For example, there is a condition that there are two people who are working similarly on same Excel workbook. How we can do or utilize this option while working on a same sheet in a same data. You can do share workbook. You can share this workbook to do the work parallelly with your colleagues. And you can also allow users to edit this range, this particular Excel sheet you want them to edit it or edit this particular data which are already there in this sheet. So this is how you can utilize this review tab from this Excel. If you like this video and the video content, please do subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you can get all the updates, all the future videos and the courses available on this channel. Thank you.